Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can conduct the ANOVA test. So here you have data that is about the survey of the performance appraisal scores, and you have the independent variable that is department. So that is the more than two groups: administration, technology, finance, and claims and sales. So among these departments, which one has the highest score and the lowest score you can know, and also how much difference and that difference is significant or not. So to conduct the ANOVA test, you have the two ways: in the analyze and then compare means, and then you can go one way ANOVA, or you can do analyze also and then general linear model and then univariate. We will choose the univariate model today. So we will check this, and then you can see here the dependent variable is the sum of scores of your performance appraiser, and then independent variable is department. So you can put that, and then you will go for the plots, and you will put the department in the horizontal axis, and then you can add and then continue. And then in the post hoc, because even though the ANOVA test is significant, you should not you should know from where exactly the difference is happening. So you will not find that only the ANOVA test. You need the post hoc, because that comparing the all different pairs. So post hoc test. So you will do the, in fact, the when equal variance is assumed is LSD, and then when it's not assumed is Donetsk C. So what that means here, the variance assumed, that is you can find by Levin's test. If Levin's test is not significant, that means that your equal variance is assumed. So you will follow the LSD result. If the equal variance is not assumed, that means homogeneity of variances, so Levin's test, is significant. And that means that its variance is not assumed. So don't be confused with this, because it's very important to interpret the result test. So in that case, you will follow the result of Dunst. So you can continue that. And now you can go to a save. And then here you have not really you need something. So you can just leave that as a default. And then options, let's look at options. So here you can check the descriptive and then estimate the effect size and the homogeneity test. So this will generate the Leibniz test. So continue. Okay, so for the moment, this is enough for the one-way ANOVA. So you do the okay. And then this test will generate the various tables. So we can go of one and one. And the first you will see here the number of the people who responded in this survey for the department. You have that number here. And then a standard deviation also, you have some different range of the standard deviation. So you can find that with the mean value. So when you report the in your result, you will report this one, mean and standard deviation was each department. And the Leibniz test here. So you can see here, based on mean, the significant level is 0.004. So this means the significance. So that means that the variance is not assumed. So when you check your high post hoc, you have to not follow the LST, you have to follow the Donetsk C, because the homogeneity is not assumed. When Leibniz test is significant, this means the homogeneity is not assumed. So you should follow the alternative post-hoc test. And now the ANOVA test itself is significant, because when you see the department, this line, that is 0.02. So that is less than 0.05. So this test is significant. So this means that there is a significant difference between groups. Now, how you know which one is exactly the difference is coming? So you can see here the mean value and the standard error. You have that, and that is the difference between the lowest and the highest 95% confidence interval. So we will follow the here the net C, because the homogeneity is not assumed, and you can find here, in fact, when it's LSD by the significance level, but in fact in the donut C that doesn't give the significance. So you will follow the asterisk. So here is asterisk. That means that between claims and the sales department, they had a significant difference. You can see other comparison, they don't have any asterisk. So in fact, the difference from ANOVA test is coming from between the claims and the sales department, not other departments. So you can now, by post-hoc test, where is exactly the difference is coming. And this is shown also in the plot. So you can see the highest score is claims and the lowest score is sales. And then you can see that between claims and finance, there is not significant difference. And also you can consider technology and the claims, but it's not enough significant difference. So it's only between the claims and the sales, they have a significant difference that made the ANOVA test significant. Okay, so this is the what I wanted to tell you about the ANOVA test. Thank you.